So I've wanted to try growing ginger for an awful long time now, and finally I saw somebody who showed me how to start it properly. And that was my good friend Louis Mastro Mateo over there at Louis Mastro Mateo's place. And he had ginger, and so I ordered some ginger, and this time I said make sure there are eyes on it, at least 2 eyes per finger. So I've got some really good eyes here, and I guess what I'm going to do is scrape it on all 3 sides and then let those soak in water for 24 hours, and then that will all be going into some dirt somewhere. And well, not all of it, because that's awful. I don't need 1,800 ginger plants. I need like 1. So let's do that. So I picked the 3 best eyes that I saw on there, and as you can see, I've scraped, well, I didn't scrape the end there, but I've scraped the other sides of those and set them in this bowl. And I'm going to just add some water to this and let that sit overnight, and tomorrow I'll plant them and we'll watch them grow. We hope. We hope they grow. So my ginger has been soaking, and now I'm going to plant it. So I've got this ice cream bucket. It's got some holes drilled in the bottom, and I filled it, I don't know, about 2/3 of the way full. And what I'm going to do is set these. I'm only going to plant 2 of these. I'm going to plant the 2 that look like they have the most promising sprouts on them. And I'm just going to set them in there like that with the sprout coming up, and then I'm going to come in here with some more of my dirt mix, and I'm just going to cover them just like that. I don't want to touch the dirt. And okay, so those are going to go just like that. And let me show you where I'm going to put this. So I've heard that ginger likes heat. So I've got it here on this warming mat. So, and that's it for the ginger planting. And then here's some ginger that I've dehydrated. And this is going to become part of a tea that I'm going to be making. So stay tuned for that coming up soon. And that's all I have for you for today. So thanks for popping in and looking at me learning how to grow ginger. And like I said, Louis Mastro Mateo is the guy who gave me the tip on doing the ginger the way that I did, where you leave it sit for 24 hours and then you get it into some dirt and you let it grow. Keep my fingers crossed, and I'll hope for the best. So I'm going to leave a link for his channel down in the description, so if you want to go check him out, he's a great gardener and has all kinds of tips that'll help lots and lots of people in Shed Wars. So take care of yourself. Alright, we'll see you soon. Bye now. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe.